Manchester by Night is far more than music and lights. It is a journey into the mesmerizing beauty of the women who give the city its soul after dark. Step into the heart of the city at midnight, and you'll quickly notice groups of young women appearing like modern-day queens. Their dresses are chosen with precision, their makeup perfected down to the smallest detail, and above all, their eyes shine brightly with confidence. This aura of self-assurance is what turns ordinary streets into glamorous stages. At rooftop bars such as 20 Stories or Cloud 23, the city unfolds beneath you, glowing like a galaxy of lights. Up there, Manchester's women sit with glasses of wine in hand, their red lips vivid against the backdrop of subtle neon. They laugh, chat, and share stories, their energy radiating across the night. To watch them in these moments is to witness something cinematic, as if they are stars basking in their own spotlight. No stage is needed, because the entire city has already become their theater. Down on the streets, the atmosphere is more electric, pulsing with a different kind of energy. Girls in tight mini dresses stride confidently in heels, their long legs catching every beam of light, while the bass from nearby clubs shakes the pavement. Every step they take seems to carry a charge of magnetism, igniting the entire street with vitality. People often say that music is the heartbeat of Manchester nightlife, but in truth, it is these women who are its living, breathing spirit. What makes the experience unforgettable is the diversity. No two women are alike. No style ever feels repetitive. A blonde woman dressed with timeless elegance might walk alongside a daring girl with purple hair, a leather skirt, and high boots. Both are radiant in their own ways. Their differences don't clash, they complement each other, weaving together a symphony of colors and personalities. This harmony of contrasts is what makes Manchester's nightlife unique on a global scale. In the northern quarter, the tone shifts again. Here the women embrace a bohemian artistic edge, vintage dresses, sneakers with stories etched into their worn soles, bold accessories, and confident conversations fill the small bars. Over cocktails crafted with care, their laughter blends with indie tracks echoing in the background. The charm here is not just in what they wear, but in how they carry themselves. In the sparkle of their eyes, in the natural rhythm of their movements, in the effortless way they seem to belong. Manchester's nightlife is also a mirror of its multicultural identity. Women from every corner of the world add their own brushstrokes to this vivid canvas. A local Mancunian might share a table with a Spanish exchange student, while a Brazilian traveler dances alongside a group of Asian friends. This mix of cultures creates a shared energy, a sense of community where borders dissolve and individuality shines. In this melting pot, beauty is not defined by one standard, but celebrated in every form. As dawn begins to creep across the horizon, many women remain on the dance floors, their eyes still sparkling, their smiles unbroken. They embody the truth that Manchester's nightlife is not about fleeting pleasures or momentary escapes. Instead, it is about self-expression, authenticity, and the joy of living fully in the moment. These women prove that the night is not an ending, but a canvas for identity, freedom, and unforgettable memories. That is why Manchester After Dark is unforgettable. It is not just a party scene, not just lights or beats echoing into the early morning. It is an experience where women become the stars of the city, each one writing her own story beneath the neon glow. They are the heartbeat, the spirit, and the endless flame of Manchester nightlife, and they ensure that when the night ends, its magic lingers forever.